If a patient is grinding their teeth at night, they can expect to experience sensitivity to cold and temperature changes. They can also expect to experience tooth crack syndrome, which will become very painful. Sometimes they can expect to experience need for root canal treatment, but that's in very extreme cases. In patients who are just starting to grind, they will notice that their bite is shifting, that their dentition is becoming shorter, the teeth are getting shorter, and that more of the secondary covering of the tooth, which is the dentin, is showing through. The most conservative treatment is just to put a protective appliance called a night guard that's going to separate the upper and the lower teeth. It's a piece of acrylic that will be in between the upper and lower teeth, so that if you do grind your teeth, you're going to grind against the acrylic, not against the natural teeth, thus protecting the dentition. To the more aggressive, where you have to rebuild tooth structure that has been lost, whether it be with white fillings or restorations or crowns in more aggressive cases. It depends on how much tooth structure has been lost because of the grinding or clenching, and how much bone has been lost because of that habit. The technology that we would use, not only would the x-rays help, but definitely the new technology that we have, the carry view, which is actually like a ultrasound of the teeth, will show not only the cracks, but how deep those cracks are and how much damage the tooth has experienced because of the grinding situation. It's a very simple procedure to do. You take a specific, it's like a wand, and you put it over the tooth, and it immediately will show you, right, just like an ultrasound, any crack, any visible cracks, and even the invisible cracks or craselings that you may have. Once we have that information, the diagnostics, we can sit down with the patient and determine what kind of treatment we need to proceed with. Let it being a more conservative treatment like an eye guard, or a more aggressive treatment like all the way up to full mouth reconstruction.